know, people are always stopping me in the street and they say, Richo, why are your potatoes so delicious? Well, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. The secret to cooking perfect potatoes is duck fat. That's what makes them delicious. And I'm going to let you in on another little secret. I use Glad Bake to stop the potatoes from sticking to the tray. Just put a piece down the bottom here and they will never ever stick. Now, I'm using Kifler potatoes and these are great little potatoes. The trick to them is to cut them on an angle like this so that they have lots of crispy edges to go golden brown and soak up all that duck fat flavour. Just slice them through like this. Now, if you want to, you can cook them whole, but I like to cut them up like this. Onto the tray they go. Really easy to do. Now, red onions are my favourite, and because these are going to roast in the oven for about half an hour until the potatoes are cooked, I cut my onions quite thick like this. That means that they'll hold up and go nice and golden brown at the same time as the potatoes. In they go. Rosemary, tear this from your neighbour's front yard, and I just strip it straight off the stems like this. Garlic is one of my favourite things, and I'm using new seasoned garlic. Look at that. I just slice it straight through and snuggle it into there. This other one here, slice it straight through. Fantastic. And when this roasts, you just give it a bit of a squeeze and eat the garlic. It is delicious. Now, some duck fat. And don't be scared with using the duck fat. Use plenty of this. It has a great flavour and makes it nice and crisp and golden. Plenty of that on there. And if it's rock solid, just pop it in the microwave or pop it on the bench for a few minutes and it will soften up. Salt on there because salt loves potatoes and potatoes love salt. And the two go together so well. And a good twist of black pepper. Now, this is the fun bit. You've got to get your hands in there. Mix it all around so the duck fat gets around every single thing that's on the tray there. Mix it around like that and make sure everything is incorporated. Now, spread it all out so it all cooks nice and evenly. Into the oven at 190 degrees Celsius. It'll take about 30 minutes to cook. When you see it's nice and golden brown and sizzling on the tray, it's ready to eat. Last couple of pieces on there, and you can see the garlic when you roast it whole like that. It looks fantastic. Now, the thing you can't tell is the smell. The duck fat has a beautiful smell to it and a lovely richness. And the only thing I need to do to finish this off is, of course, just a little bit of chopped parsley over the top there to make it nice and fresh. That looks fantastic, but we don't know until we actually try. So I've got a little potato here, cut into that. That is really good. The potato's cooked all the way through and it's got a nice crispness to it and the flavour. It's all about flavour and that duck fat gives me plenty of that. Fantastic.